Hi everyone, and welcome to the course Introduction to UAV Mapping Part 1. Our main purpose here will be to learn how to use drones so that we can create orthomosaics, digital elevation models and 3D models from scratch, and I'm going to accompany you throughout the whole process. So this is an introductory lesson about the course. We will learn what the course is about, what do the following lessons include. You are going to learn why to watch this course and what your final goals should be after completing it. And finally, a few words about me, your instructor. So, what is the course about? Let's see what do the following lessons include. First, we're going to go through the drone selection process. Here we're going to define our goals and then select the right UAV to use. We will go throughout the whole specifications and pricing, think and we'll learn to how to do it cost effectively. Then we will move on to the flight planning software issue. There we will see how uh, we adjust our needs first, we check our options and then learn how to choose the right flight planning software to use. Um, we will go through what the current software providers are giving us right now, and in contrast to our needs, we're going to learn how to make decisions. Then we're going to move on to the ground control points issue, a very important aspect of professional flights. We're going to learn when do we need ground control points, how do we use them, and learn how to construct and measure them before we make a professional flight. Then on to flight preparations, how to prepare a flight, learn how to take safety measures, how to do area inspections. We're going to calculate the risk factors from the office and learn how to fly safely and productively. Then expanding on flight preparations, uh, we're going to learn to define the most important factors of a professional flight. We're going to cover the aspects of altitude, image overlap, and how to define relative and absolute accuracy so we can achieve maximum results. Then on to executing a professional flight, all about the flight procedures. I'm going to take you through video tutorials through all the fieldwork that you need to make, and we will go through a simple example from the beginning to the end. And finally, last lesson of this course, we're going to learn about the post-flight checks. How do we review our results in the field? How we make sure that we don't have flaws in the data before we prepare them for post-processing in the office. So, having completed this course, you will possess a good general idea about what the drone market offers right now. You will be able to take good decisions on hardware and software aspects depending on your professional needs. You will of course be able to prepare and execute a professional flight from the beginning to the end, and of course you will be able to capture all the appropriate aerial data that you need and have them ready for post-processing. Finally, a few things about me, your instructor. My name is Panagiotis Gryllis. I live and work in Athens, Greece. I'm a geographer from the University of the Aegean with an MSc in Geoinformatics from the NTUA Athens. I've been working in the private sector on GIS professional projects for about 12 years now. I am also a licensed UAV pilot and a UAV enthusiast. I love flying anything that flies and sharing aerial knowledge with all professionals and amateurs. And my main professional interest right now is aerial mapping, creating orthomosaics and 3D models. And some of my favorite tools that I use is any kind of DJI drone, Pix4D capture software for preparing my missions, Agisoft Photoscan for editing my data, and ArcGIS for my final presentations. So, that's all for now. Thank you for listening, and fasten your seatbelts for the following lessons. Bye bye.